morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, Weekend Rides. So this is HJ, this is Girish. So we are going today to Goa from Hyderabad. Planning to reach there by tonight, but let's see how it is. This is our first bike trip to Goa on my new beast RE350. So we're going to take a route from Chevela, Pargi, Yadgir, Bagalkot, Belgaum, and then reach Goa. So we are hopefully trying to reach today, but if we cannot, we are carrying a 2% tent and we'll camp wherever we find a place. Okay. If you can see, we have loaded a bike. We have two saddlebags, Rhinox, and we have a Rhinox tank bag. So we are all set. And this is Goa, Girish. Goa it is for the first time.
This is my first trip to Goa. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we are going to start now. It's 4:55 actually. 5 o'clock we'll start and we'll try to reach maximum distance in less time so that we can cover our journey. It's somewhere around 15 to 16 hours continuously if we'll ride, but we are not going to ride continuously. So we'll take break journey. We'll break after 2 hours from now. We'll try to cover at least 150 kilometers in that 2 hours. So let's start the journey and let's see how it goes.
Goa is on, guys.
Yo! Bye-bye. Look at the view, guys. We did not expect that we'll find this kind of place. It's very good. Actually, we can place our tent here and we can stay for the night at least. It's very beautiful.
Yeah,
Morning is perfect.
but we are too close to Hyderabad. Let's get close to
We
Goa.
are not going to spend more time here. We'll just start from here now. Hardly 5 minutes. It's just a stoppage for nature fresh and all. It's very beautiful. You can easily imagine.
Look at these flowers. Very nice.
Whoa.
Hi guys. So we have taken our first breakfast break. We are supposed to take our first break at this place after we crossed Pargi. But the problem was, first it was cold, and second we witnessed some beautiful farms and good trees. So we thought we'll stop and enjoy the sunrise. So Girish,
Nothing like it. We are on the way and look at the bike. It's fully loaded. This beast is able to balance our load. So much of balance on the bike, and then again 2 riders on this single bike. Pavilion seat is a bit shorter, but it's very good. It's very nice. If you are going or planning for Meteor, you can easily go for it. 350cc, you will not feel that power is less or something like that. It's very nice and very powerful bike. This is our first stop for the breakfast, and definitely we are enjoying a lot. Still we have to cover 570 kilometers from here, which will take somewhere around 11 hours from now. By evening we'll reach the destination. We did not book anything in Goa, so it will be all surprise for us how it goes. Let's see. Let's reach our destination, then only we can tell about the place or about the accommodation and all. Hope you guys are enjoying our videos. Don't forget to subscribe.
thank you.
Weekend Riders.
Rides.
Woo!
So this Ghat road stretch is, I think, around 5 to 6 kilometers. If you can see, it's beautiful, guys. My buddy, my Pilion Girish, is also recording, maybe from his phone. Okay. So I just remember this road, so I thought it's the right time to put on my GoPro.
One of the best things we got in Karnataka till now. The hard road. Good stretch of.
He's recording his video, I'm recording mine.
You can see the view.
And there are the windmills.
Not that long, but very beautiful.
this is one stretch of road. See, for my hometown I can take two roads, but I prefer this road because of the roads are pretty much good. Okay. Up till some instance. But this particular stretch of ghat is what I chose this road for.
See the curves. Road, the Ghat road. It's awesome.
So that's the reason I always tell the journey is more important than the destination because of roads like this, the views that you see, okay, and the thrill that it gives when you are riding.
And as I road condition is not good, so better we prefer to go a bit slow. And on every curve,
See, there is a lake, a good lake on the top.
we'll know that
I don't know if you could see it or not.
beautiful view.
A nice fields down.
Small town farms, everywhere it's easy on. Best Ghat road we can say.
Lake till Goa.
Till Goa.
Yeah. Just approaching Goa, you'll find lot of good ghat roads there. It's a joy riding on these kind of roads because though you are going at a low speed, okay, but it gives a different kind of thrill. For a rider, though highways are good, okay, both the state and national highways, where you can cruise at 100, 120, but when riding these kind of roads, it gives a joy. I can't explain it in words, but for me, especially when I ride on the ghat roads, I really find it very joyful. See, sitting in the car, okay, you might see the views, but when you go on a bike, when you take these curves, it gives you the altogether different feeling. Okay, so let's catch up again. Whenever we find something beautiful, I will switch it on, and hopefully I can share some good landscapes, roads, nice places, forests, whatever comes in my way, fields, I will definitely cover it for you. So we have completed 150 kilometers in like 3.5 hours. Okay.
More 500 kilometers more.
More 500 kilometers to reach Goa. Hopefully we should reach by tonight. I am suspecting we'll reach by 8 mostly.
Most probably.
8. If at all we feel we don't want to reach today, we can always camp anywhere we like because we are carrying a tent, a 2-person tent.
So biggest part is if we talk about the journey, road is good. Some part of road is bad. So we have covered somewhere 150 kilometers and we found somewhere 10 to 20 kilometers bad road. Rest of the road is till now it is very good. And again, it depends. If you are carrying your luggage and if you are going on good bike, you can easily maintain it. If you go for 200 or 150cc bike, then it's going to be a horrible drive for you.
And it's very cool breeze here. We stopped somewhere in between.
That is the biggest part. We are going in winters. So this is February. We are going to Goa. If you go to Goa in March or maybe in April or maybe in June, it will be very tough time for you because of the heat and all. And temperature in Hyderabad is not that good what people think about. It's moderate, but again it's very heat as well in summer. So if you are planning to go to Goa, then better you go in winters, or rainy season is also good, but again you will face lot of difficulties.
Even holding the mobile now, my hands are shivering.
It's still
cold
breeze, we can say. We do have challenge, we are facing challenge, but yeah, still we are going to Goa, so it's nothing for reaching the destination. And reaching the destination is not important, it's the journey.
That's my dialogue.
Yeah, that's his dialogue, but again that is true. It's not like he invented or he's having perception or something. It's
Okay, guys.
good trip.
We'll catch up now and then. Bye bye. Look at the fields, open fields.
Dancing shadows.
So the rider is going to change after 210 kilometers and 4 hours, 5 hours, 5.5 hours of drive. All the best, Girish. बीच में संभाल के चलाना, बहुत ज़्यादा है. Look at the condition of Karnataka road, guys. The entire stretch of 4 to 5 kilometers is this bad. In fact, there is no road itself. All mud, concrete, stones. There is no rules. Everybody is coming as they wish. No left, no right. Just because of the road. We should have at least crossed 15 kilometers in this time. But unfortunately, this is how it is. So see this canal. This canal goes all the way from Almaty Dam in Karnataka to Bijapur. This is drinking water provided to all the villages around. You can see it stretches out that side as well. I'll just show you. This was on the left side. And if you cross the road and go, this is on the right side. Nice, right? We are around another 270 kilometers away from Goa. So let's see. I'm not sure if we can reach today. Maybe we'll camp before the Ghat road and forest starts. And then start it early in the morning again. Bye guys. ಏನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರೋಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟು
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸುಮಾರು
ಮಸ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಯೋದು
ಖರಾಬ್ ಐತಿ.
ಹಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖರಾಬ್ ಐತಿ. ಇದ್ನಾ ಖರಾಬ್ ಬೇಕು ಬೈ
ಎಮ್ಮೆಲಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದಾಕತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಮ್ಮೆಲಿಗಳು.
ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಗೋವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
ಗೋವಾ ದೂರ ಐತಿ.
200 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ವೀರೇಜ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ ಗಾಡಿ? ವೀರೇಜ್
177 kilometers still. So we have decided we will go through and reach Goa today at any cost, because camping at Goa is a lot safer than camping anywhere in between. And luckily we met someone who was traveling from Hyderabad, from Karnataka to Goa in his car. So he was going solo. So I did recognize that he's going to Goa, and I just waved at him and said, let's stop by for a chai. So we stopped by. So now my plan is us. He's in the car, Girish. So we will take turns and both car and a bike will go together until Goa. So that is the car, Hyundai Creta. So we are going now towards Goa. 177, it says 4 hours 26 minutes. The road is still bad, but that's okay. As long as I'm riding, I don't mind what kind of roads I'm riding on. A beautiful sunset is in the process. So I'm in middle of nowhere, driving solo, as Girish went in the car. It's all ghat, it's pitch dark. I'm riding solo in this ghat road today, and if you can see, there's nothing. pretty scary and dangerous, but I'm enjoying the ride. Let's see how it is. Goa, I think, is another 23 kilometers ghat and then 10 kilometers for the border. So hopefully I reach by 11. Bye.